Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious caramel tart. First, let's create the perfect crust. You'll combine 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour with 1/3 cup of powdered sugar and half a cup of cold, cubed unsalted butter. Mix until it resembles coarse crumbs. Then, add 1 large egg yolk and 1 to 2 tablespoons of ice water, just until the dough comes together. Chill this dough for at least 30 minutes before pressing it into a 9-inch tart pan. Next, we'll make the star of our tart, the rich caramel filling. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, melt 1 cup of granulated sugar over medium heat, stirring occasionally until it becomes a deep amber color. Carefully and slowly whisk in half a cup of warm, heavy cream. Be cautious, as it will bubble vigorously. Then, stir in 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter and a pinch of sea salt. Continue to cook for about 5 minutes, or until the caramel thickens slightly. Now it's time to bring it all together. First, blind bake your prepared tart crust for about 15 minutes until it's lightly golden. Once the crust is ready, carefully pour the warm caramel filling into the pre-baked shell. Transfer the tart to a preheated oven and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the caramel is set but still slightly soft in the center. Let it cool completely on a wire rack. To finish your magnificent caramel tart, it's crucial to chill it thoroughly. Place the cooled tart in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, or until the caramel is firm. This makes slicing much easier and enhances the texture. Before serving, you can add a sprinkle of flaky sea salt or some elegant chocolate shavings for a beautiful presentation. Use a warm, sharp knife for clean slices. Enjoy your homemade caramel tart at room temperature for optimal flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.